Ooh, new intro. One of our first videos was a banana bread recipe, but that video is a little cringy, so we decided to update it. So this recipe really couldn't be easier. The first thing you want to do is add everything but the baking powder to a bowl and give it a good mix. This updated recipe is 6.8 net carbs a slice, and we threw in some cacao performance nut butter that PNB sent us. And now it's time to mix. Mix. Maybe scrape the stuff down on the side a little bit. Mix. And now you add the 10 grams of baking powder. Why didn't we add the baking powder when we added all the other ingredients? Great question. That I also had. So I asked Josh, and he said that's because adding the baking powder later gives it time to max gas production during baking, which reduces our chance of getting a dense bread. Now that's usually the job of gluten and starch, but this recipe doesn't have much of that, so we add the baking powder later. Put it in a pan with some parchment paper, and then you bake that at 350 for roughly 30 minutes. Now you have some beautiful banana bread that's 6.8 net carbs a slice, and if you want it a little sweeter, drizzle some more nut butter on top. Let us know what you think.